wanum na A plus de nsɛmsɛm bebrebe to dwa ade abeto dwa sa abena kokko beye na eye no eye izu o say beye na eye na say den na eye no ana edam bi na obo ana fin so asase nani da ho ana ode ye nyoma oye no because obi a wani nda ho a na nka betimi akai be ma ono kodae hotel no kodae bodamfo nkai sa nyoma we nyina ayi bia bodamfo de o chi no na awe na ade be chi on kai ni refi because adwen na nkasa say kolementa adwen na bubu atete apansam na ose e kamema yesi abena kokono de na adwen na edididi de na adwen ena ye de nani da opa no ye de because ene no obeka ho asem no wasada beto no A plus nanim e di su aba say yenko na yenko de dimeni na menko pa acho na naba Asamoah ene sewa mi ye so sa na odidi o matema na so okeka nsem bi form ho a eni mo sa atwa no ba ye say dimeni na menko pa macho e ba ne sa na ma no A plus no abe third person na say akoye say dia Gyan ye no ofo aso ana say bibisa na ogu nanim as because enam ne so ana abena kokko de kopa na naba Asamoah aye show UTV show base so kopa na chow no nim say tu atwa na nso ene no wasa aba say o de you warning ekọ na naba Asamoah so we nyina no etwa sen na saa nso na abena kokko no se mu nim a ode betu dwa say okodi enubo no hu dwuma obeka say drugs okoye drugs hu dwuma die ma ya chi ni tumu wo US kode mu na mpo no prison one oda no oni no A plus na down from so prison one na eda prison one no cells one no ebusuafo asem o kan say enukre we no abena kokko adimuaye aba video bi betu dwa adimuaye aba say dia A plus e kan enye asem foforo ana enye ebi asem bi a ese wakoti no be kan na asem no de enukre because eye onu abena kokko no watena eye show so interview so aka ni pete mo magana fo nyina tesa asem ne da entenya asem fo njai say ensem dada wakofa no abeka ne de peniu gist anaso pensem fofra news a onu abna ko no mra ne nchen na onu abna no ema ne news na de oka ne de yate abre Ghana fo twitwa masum abre o mate abre je say de plus kanye ensem foforo onu na abre na say no onu abna kokko no wesipi because kane no ensem bia na eha no no ntimi nkan se by say no on now she's going under therapy therapy no tua 400 per hour ebi mu bua no mani tua sa sika no ono so timi tua bi ebi mu age sessions ama na otimi ko na ode en hodwa na se no wanya akokuduro enya hoden a ensem bi anko ntimi nkan no se sia no no abena kokko no de betudwa na emom na Asamoah Gyan so se den Asamoah Gyan nsem na oka no wakoye Ghana former captain intino on peso be biebie nsem bi so ama Ghana fo hu nipa ban a Asamoah Gyan ente be Asamoah Gyan no kana no ento bi zafo yenkohwe video no embra.
I now have time to reply to you. See, if you're looking for information, look for new information. Don't look for information that I myself have said during radio interviews. I proudly went to the United States with heroin, trying to get fees for medical school in Ukraine. How many of you understand sacrifice? Some of you are just eating off politicians' money and fraud money and all those things. I also did my share. You know, I did my wrong and I've learned from my mistakes. And you, Asamoah Gyan, what were you saying? That day, my feet were hurting and you didn't allow me to sit in your car because you've been begging me to come to your house so that you sleep with me. I only saved you because I knew that I would have a relapse and I might talk about sexual relations. I respected you as a so-called captain of the Ghana football team. Gone are the days when I was timid and I cared for your status in society. Gone are the days. I will tell you, I'm undergoing therapy and there were things that, you know, I'm healing from. So I'm going to talk about issues that I could not talk about. I thought I had friends, but I don't have friends. And sometimes family have betrayed me. So talking on social media is the best for me. But I'm going for therapy. Sometimes I'm able to talk to my therapist. But therapy is expensive. I pay 400 cedis an hour. Some people have volunteered and paid for a couple of sessions for me. You people want to do everything possible so that man no say me sabe ko man no cry be dia mama but abu onu dia nyakopon de epra no ho and I mean so no ahobra sienti any means can you create ebe sumi bia moya mo se mo na moya konko nya wo ke bia eye no kware nya wo ke bia eye no kware na wo pe information na me say me interviews information na say nya wo ke nyina ma aka de dawo na mo se mo nam tene ne kwanso mo de boni bia ambata mo ho mo na mo ye holy mo na mo ye ne esese mo ye bia mo nkoso me de me boni bia me di no maka nyakopon en mame me se nyakopon boni fache on bie kwan mame on mame adwuma on mame asumdwe on mame awarepa on mame ma na me ma no boni a me ye nyina no me nche won se enye sei na wo mo beye no munye ni sei na esimu yie
so na me ka o say need to free na eso ya say ma me timidi news we ebre ho na need to free from chi akwan a omo wo Asamoah kese from number no wasio dwumedie bia efa roofing ho no si we den wie na oboso especially ya wa amano ne no ya na dan so na say trust issues no edoso dan sensem timi nwie bitimi di usika akoyo nwia no so a untimi fa no nkoto prison na so untimi ani nkodem na say akoye say onim fifira wo sign na ayekwa need roofing say from fa number na from now from a omankasa be call dan ni location bi obi a no betuka akọ afentu so me free delivery order film wo me free delivery eko board dan so e de ma wo on boss ma fe e bo no so de da from ti fa number no na contact need roofing na ni omu indijuma na make us subscribe na like Xposed afentu leave comment fa ensem ya me de abre wo ehu na yeto ansem no so na busuafo de abena kokko e kan no dwen husen say no kre no kan say atro no de odwen husen because you see and say she's bold now kaneno na she was timid in same be also kan efri na koma so no na wontimi enka na mum enam no enen no sorry enen no enam say she's going through an therapy no wa gather courage e was say in same be she have to let some things out say ne be ya no so no ho beto no na adwum beda o fine na kuma beda o fine same be also otimi kan na san so sende ye warning e dey ma Asamoah wakoye captain e wo man mu ana say former captain of the Black Stars no enim guase bi won pese obegu anim ase nti na be ya nkakawa no tum na wo de men kasa kra na ye say yentwa bibia so adofo de na so kafa sansem wi na ye boa ana me odi dwuma yi makraw